Starting in about 2020, Lexus UX Hybrid vehicles had really bad problems with 12-volt batteries, the smaller batteries. When it dies, you can't start the car, and there are warnings on the dash, and you have actually three options what you do next. You may jumpstart this car, you may charge the battery before you start the car, or you may tow the vehicle to the dealer. And the craziest thing in this case is that the dealers are very often helpless, and they tell you this is the problem because you drive short distances. You drive longer distances and everything will be okay. Well, it sounds really weird. You buy a Lexus vehicle and you have to adjust how you drive it. Long distances, short distances. This is just crazy for me. So I decided to dig into this problem and I found several interesting things. First of all, the Lexus UX Hybrid vehicle doesn't have an alternator. So when the dealer tells you you should drive and give it some time to charge, this is just not true. So this Lexus UX Hybrid charges the small battery using the larger battery, the hybrid battery in your vehicle. So when you just put this car in active mode, like you start it, it may start the engine or it may not start the engine. It's in active mode. It starts charging the little battery. And if you just leave this car in active mode for half an hour, the battery should be okay. Also, in the models made between the year 2020 and 2022, there was a problem with the software, and there was a service bulletin about this problem, and I will leave the number of this bulletin in the description. You can Google and find this document. Several updates need to be done in the software to avoid killing this 12-volt battery. So what you can do if the batteries in your Lexus UX die really often? First of all, you need to buy the charger, and you need to charge these batteries once every half a year, once every 4 months, and this will prolong their life. Alternatively, you can also let the car idle in the ready mode for about half an hour every 2 or 3 months, and it will compensate for the power losses of the small battery. Also, there is the idea on forums that you can replace this type of battery that is in this hybrid vehicle with another type of battery which is larger. This is a very bad idea because the brains in this Lexus UX, they are made for exactly this small battery, and if you install the larger battery, they will not charge this battery properly and it will still die maybe 1 month later than your original one, but it will die. So the best solution is to buy a good charger and charge the small battery from time to time.